Today I'm visiting a friend in Zurich who has so graciously offered to host me for a couple nights. I'm on day 4 of a 10-day trip around Austria and Switzerland before heading to Florence, where I'll be studying abroad for the next 4 months. I'm with a friend today.
Hello.
She's Ali. We started off the day by visiting the ETH Zurich campus, which is one of the best places in the world to study engineering, like my friend here. ETH also has probably the best view of Zurich's Old Town, and honestly, I am so jealous. Can you imagine getting to see this view every day? Now we're walking around the Old Town and window shopping. We did get some hot maroni or chestnuts, and they were delicious. I love having efficient public transportation. The SBB app is a must-have if you want to make the most out of the cable car and trams around the city. It calculates the lowest fare for you automatically and charges you at the end of the day. After a day of exploring, we headed back for dinner.
We're going to Lucerne.
After grabbing some hot chocolate, we came across an ass bar. Actually pretty awesome. They tackled the issue of food waste in the city by offering discounted day-old pastries, sandwiches, and desserts that they collect from their partner restaurants. Before we head back to Zurich, we're taking a cable car up to Chateau Gutsch for a panoramic view of the city, the lake, and the mountains. I'm just blown away by the beauty of the scenery here, and I'm so grateful for Ollie for taking me around. The next few days I'll be solo traveling to the Alps, so it was great to have company here before going off on my own. Next I'll be taking a train from Zurich to Lauterbrunnen, and then after spending a day there, I'll be headed to Zermatt to see the famous Toblerone mountain. After Zermatt, I'll go to Italy just in time for my study abroad program to start in Florence.